Dr. Andy Schneider, and you are?
I'm Hayden.
Hayden, and we're going to tell you about our spring open house, which is on Thursday, April 28th. I bet you're wondering, what time is it going to be?
Yes,
And
I am.
it's from 2 to 6. And I bet you're wondering, what would the first 100 people get who sign up? Are you wondering that?
Oh, yes.
And guess what they get? The first 100 people get an incredible Forsyth Plastic Surgery swag bag.
Oh.
And I bet you're wondering, how would you sign up for this open house, this spring open house everybody wants to go to, right? You could call our office, you could go online, you could text us and let us know you're going to be there. You're going to be there, right?
Oh, yes.
All right, great. And you're going to want one of those swag bags. So make sure you're one of the first 100 people to sign up for the Forsyth Plastic Surgery swag bag. Hayden and I will see you there.